Hello everyone, welcome to this instructional video. This video mainly introduces how to batch configure ONU multicast service. First, connect the ISP server to the uplink port of the OLT. Then use the optical splitter to connect the ONU to the PON port of the OLT, and finally connect the computer to the LAN port of the ONU to play video. Then let's log in the OLT web for configuration. First, complete the OLT VLAN configuration. Create a business VLAN. Bind VLAN to uplink port. Second, configure the multicast service. Multicast listening was enabled globally, and general query packet was enabled. Import user VLAN, configure the user VLAN and multicast VLAN for the PON port where the ONU resides. In the port M router, configure a multicast service VLAN for the upper interface with multicast services. Third, create a line profile named SFU-IGMP. Click Details and Modify to config it. Add tcont and bind DBA profile. Add gemport. Create a service. Create a service port and bind to gemport. Bind the multicast VLAN to it. Create a service profile named SFU-IGMP. Click Details and Modify to config it, creating a port VLAN. Set the mode to tag, port type to ETH, and bind different ports to multicast VLAN. Click ONU auth list and detail info. Find the equipment ID of the ONU you want to configure. Fourth, configure ONU auto bind. Enter the equipment ID and select the profile you create. Please note that the auto profile binding takes effect only for newly registered ONUs. Now, let's delete all the ONUs and make them re-register. Then, let's visit the binding profile interface. Check if the re-registered ONU is bound to the SFU-IGMP profile. The ONUs bind all profiles successfully. Finally, remember to click the Save button to save the configuration. That's all for this course. Thank you for your attention and listening.